Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the password of your Google account. Changing the password is very easy, so let's start the video. First, open the Chrome browser on your mobile phone. Once it's open, you'll see an interface like this. On the top right side, you'll see your Google account profile icon. Tap on it. After tapping, you'll see the option, Google Account Settings. Tap on that. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a section called Personal Info. Tap on it as well. Now scroll down, and you'll see the option Password. Tap on it. After tapping, Google may ask you to verify your identity by entering your screen lock, so just enter your phone's lock. Once you verify, you'll see the screen to change your password. Now, enter your new password in the first box. In the second box, enter the same password again to confirm it. After entering the password, you'll see a Change Password button. Tap on it. Tap on Change Password again to confirm. And that's it. Your Google account password has been successfully changed. So this is how you can easily change your Google account password on your phone. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in another interesting video.